Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to have a really important video in my opinion, and that is the must-have app for the Galaxy Note 10, S10, every single Samsung you could possibly get, and that is Good Lock. Good Lock infinitely improves your device, and I cannot tell you how much this keeps me at always thinking Samsung is better than almost every other version of Android just because of this app and what it provides. Now, Good Lock is an app made by Samsung, but there's two ways to get it depending on your country or region. So in the US, it's very simple. You just go to the Galaxy Store, search for Good Lock, and there it is. Simple and easy. So that's it. However, if you do live in another country that does not have Good Lock, the other way around it is to go to a website called APK Mirror, or any website where you can download APK files. You're going to look for Samsung Good Lock. And then for the link that I'm providing in the description, you have to be very careful not to click any of these ads. These are all ads. This is an ad. You're clicking this one right here. And then it should download. Very simple, very easy. Just to show you there's something harmful about it, I'll download it even though I already have it on my device. Now let's go into Good Lock. Now what is this? It allows you to customize your device to make it so much better, and it provides a perfect experience. There's so much to it, so I really wanted to do an entire video just breaking down how Good Lock is so good and how it infinitely improves your phone. So the first part is task changer. So all these you can download separately. The ones with the shopping bag is the one that I have downloaded. Other ones I don't see as necessary, so choose which ones you like. So task changer, I definitely see this as necessary because the stupidity of doing recent apps in this kind of view, which this is a little bit altered from the stock view, is horrible, just horrible. So I do grid. I think I like this one the best. It allows me to switch between apps a lot more easily, and it's much better off. So that is the one that I prefer. However, you can do a lot of different ones, as you see. Slim list was my favorite for a long time, and I still like that. I feel like if you are a heavy user, you will prefer that because as you kind of keep going and everything, you'll see them all appear on the list. So it's a really great way to jump between things very quickly. So if you're a power user, you might want to use that one, and I like to blur out the effect. So that already on its own, I think dramatically improves Android as a whole, and it's something that Google should have immediately. Maybe we'll see it on Android 12. Google likes to catch up after a while. Clock face. Clock face is very simple and easy. Basically, it allows you to do watch faces that normally aren't available. So my favorite by far is this one that I just love. It just spells out the time for you. I love that. I think it's a cool way of it. So when you check out our video on how to download the best lock screen ever, check out that video if you haven't already. You can have a really cool video of number, and also on your always on display, you can always read the time like that too. So really cool in terms of having it there, and you can do this for your lock screen and for everything. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy, something I recommend. MultiStar. Now MultiStar is really big for a couple of reasons for me. One, it allows you to change the color, which is kind of nice. So I make it black, so on my split screen. So when I want to have a split screen, I have it right here. So I can just really simply and easily go right here, and now it's a black bar instead of being a white bar. So I like that a lot better. So you can also, by the way, when you have an app open, you can just go here and kind of go to it. Although I wish this wasn't in alphabetical order. I wish this was more in the vein of being able to customize which one you want. But if you want to, you can kind of just go right to an app as well. So that's something that it adds for you. This also allows it to be done with any app. So this is really important for a lot of apps don't do it. Now this does need to restart your phone in order to do this. So just so you know, you're not confused by it. Also, it continues multi-window without pausing. So if you do want to watch a video of YouTube while going on Twitter, you can scroll through Twitter and it won't pause YouTube. That's obviously really important as well. And the last thing it really allows you to do that I just love because I use this every day, and that is doing pairs that you often use on your home screen. So I can go to an app, and then if I use this pairing every day of YouTube and home, then I just hit this button right here, and now I have a new icon, send pair to home. So that is infinitely so much more useful because now if it's a combination you always do, bam, you're always there. Simple, easy, and definitely something that I love having on this phone. Next, we're moving on to Nice Shot. This one's a really quick and simple one, and that is just the ability to actually take off the extra on your screenshot. Now, what do I mean by that? It automatically takes off the top that you never want anyway, and you always end up cropping out. So that's pretty simple. You can also change the format if you prefer PNG instead, so that is another ability you have as well. That should actually make it better quality as well. Then we have family, and for family, I love one-handed operation. This really has changed the way I use the phone because you can do certain things. So I have a handle always there on the left side and I have one on the right side. And depending on what I do, I can go straight right, which is quick tools, which this quick tools is so useful. You have screenshot here, your most recent app, lock your screen, flashlight, down notification panel, Wi-Fi on, sound vibrate switch, like all these things that you can use, and it's really simple and easy to do. I think it's a lot better than like Apple's way of doing it, but I want to say it's very similar to the Control. But yeah, really nice, simple, and easy. I have it swipe this way to do one-handed, so I like that a lot. And then I also like to quickly switch between apps just by going down angle. So that's what I have for this one. Then on the right side, because you can customize both sides, I have it like this for the assistant. So for those of you who just want an even quicker way for the assistant, just can do that. Very simple and easy. You also can do Task Switcher, which is a nice one. It has all of your apps right here. So remember when I told you I don't use all the recent ones anymore? It's because I now instead swipe up to just jump between the apps. Very simple and easily. And then again, I like to keep it simple with down swipe always being my switch between apps. So this has really made it so much easier, and you can control all of this and really do advanced settings if you want S Pens, animations of gestures. I don't like to show that, but all these kind of things you can really fine tune this with. But I think you guys will really appreciate it once you have all of this. Just having everything quick and easy, just being able to jump between your two apps, being able to have a useful recent apps button, being able to switch between your apps very quickly and very easily. So I do like that a lot. Just being able to switch, one-handed mode, ask Google anything. Very great layout that you can create for yourself, but these are definite tips that will help you dramatically improve your Note 10, which I'm using, or even if you have an older Android device, S10, all this stuff, but these are the definite ones that will help you out, and really, I think you're gonna love this stuff. It really has improved my phone dramatically. Again, these are the ones that I recommend: Task Changer, Clock Face, MultiStar, Nice Shot, and One-Handed Operation Plus. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Make sure to give a like, thumbs up if you found this video helpful. And if you know anyone that works with Samsung phones, that uses their phone all the time and all that, and that you want to help them out, make sure to share this with them as well. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.